Innocent friends, the narrow gauge escape. It was a horrible day on the island of Soap. The sky was raining, the hills were muddy, and a second storm had knocked down trees in the Crossing Kern crossing.
Quickly, Doctor, a tree has fallen in the Crossing Kern, and there are people hurt.
But I don't have any of my supplies.
We already know, Doctor. The station agent Tomas and Rheneas is on his way to Slate Works to pick everything up.
Hold still, Rheneas, while we hook up the supplies truck. Slow down, Sir Handel. I still have the buckle on my seatbelt.
Hold on, Doc. The rain is picking up, and people are hit in Crossing Kern, and the Holland Drainage Bridge is breaking up.
Just as Sir Handel and the doctor crossed the bridge, it nearly fell apart, nearly sweeping them both away.
Quickly, call the Slate Works and let them know that there is a wave of water coming their way.
Hurry up, Rheneas! The Veturi bridge broke up, and the flood is coming this way. But Rheneas was old enough to know that the last time the bridge broke, all of the slate works was flooded. He yelled out orders as he quickly steamed away. Get everyone to the high ground. I'm taking the supplies down the old railway track. Call the Crossing Kern station and let them know I'll be coming in the back way. Not many trains knew about the track of the old railway, but Rheneas had traveled it many times as a young engine. He pushed through the overbrush as fast as he could, narrowly beating the water before it overtook the railway. All of a sudden, Rheneas came bursting through the trees and crashed into the barn that had been built over the old railway track years before. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Get the supplies to the doctor and help those people. Later that evening, Mr. Percival came accompanied with the doctor to visit. Rheneas, as your controller, I must say that I was concerned when I heard that you were traveling the old railway track to deliver the supplies. As was I, the doctor added. But as your friend, your experience, dedication, and commitment to helping others has once again proved that you have earned the nickname Gallant Old Engine. Thank you for saving the day. And everyone clapped loudly for Rheneas. Thank you, Mr. Percival, for coming to speak with me, but unfortunately, due to the branches stuck in my ears, I didn't hear a word you said. Everyone laughed out loud and gathered around to watch Mr. Percival clean up their heroic little engine. The end. Thanks for watching The Narrow Gauge Escape. If you like our show,